Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a haul that I have. Now I have several hauls that I will be uploading. I have lots of things I want to share with you guys, so let's get into it. We'll start with the Dollarama haul. This is non-Christmas related, but it's Johanne Christmas related. Johanne's craft room related. So first thing I got was this cabinet shelf. And this cabinet shelf was only $4. And I got it for my laminator. God, I can never remember that name. I bought it for my laminator. You can see that it's already on a shelf, but it's really flimsy, and the basket that's underneath has handles on it, and of course that stand that it's on has holes in it, so the handles come up through, and then when I go to take the basket, it just knocks everything over. So I bought this to replace that. See how that works. I bought these little multi-purpose clips. You guys have, I know at Dollarama, or sorry, at Dollar Tree has those pink ones that you can buy. I don't know if I have them. Thought I had one here, but I don't have the proper, but sorry, shaking the video there. But you guys have the really small ones like these at Dollar Tree. Well, unfortunately, I don't have a Dollar Tree in my province at all, or on the Atlantic Canada side. So I have to resort to these. They're not the prettiest, but they're only holding a project. What do I care? So I bought those. You get 10 for $2. I bought these snack sealable bags, and I do that because when I buy, say if I bought, which I bought these, and I open the bag, they're not resealable bags. So unfortunately, they're all over the place if you don't seal them up properly. So I buy the little snack size bags and regular lunch bags, and that's what I use. So I bought these, and of course I just showed you those. So I saw these ones, and I just love the teal and the purple. Very, very nice. I don't know if that's teal, blue, turquoise. Tammy's Creative Cards and Crafts. She would love that color. I bought these notebooks, and they're $1.25 each. Be the Best is the gold and the with the stars, black and gold. And then I bought the Follow Your Heart with the white, and they have like little plus signs. I don't think it's really cross. It's just more plus signs, but really, really cute. Thought it'd be good for Happy Mail. I don't think I would cover that. I think it's just cute the way it is. Maybe add something to it, but that would be about it. I would just alter it. I know you've probably seen these in other Dollarama hauls, and these are paint markers. So I bought the teal, the red, the white, and the black. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm looking forward to giving those a try. And it says for all surfaces. Again, $1.25 each. I wanted to give that a try. I bought these little adhesive rhinestone strips. And I bought them not for the pearl pieces. I don't really care for like the stripe stuff. But I bought them for that little flower in there. Like those little flowers are adorable. So these were only $1.25, and I got 2 strips. So that's pretty cool. I buy my shower curtains in there, shower liners. They're only $1.25 or $1.50, sorry. And yeah, you have to replace them once a month, but I love having the new every month. And sometimes it might be less. I don't know. Just depends on how hot or how many showers or what's going on. But I like to replace them, and just, you know, at least once a month I'm replacing my shower curtain. It's just my preference. Then I bought these little notepads. These are magnetic. They're $1.50 each. So I bought those, and I bought them for Happy Mail, or when you give cards and you don't want to write on the inside because maybe they want to reuse them or whatever. So I bought them so that I could, you know, take one off and maybe write a little note on those. I have a llama one here, but I don't know what I did with it. Can't find it. Can't find it. I can't find anything in this craft room. That's why I have to go through these hauls. I got a lot here to show you guys, but not today. I'll upload them this week. So I bought these, the turquoise or teal, I'm not sure which color you would call that, and these pink jewelry case boxes, and they're gift boxes, and it has an insert in it. They were $1.25 each, and you get 4. Of course, you guys know I make jewelry, so I thought that would be super cute. And then I could even decorate the top myself because they're blank, which is what I like even more. So I bought those. I have to tell you, I bought this and I can't find it anywhere else now. Of course, no Dollarama. I haven't seen it since. But I bought this, and here's what it is. It is an iPhone stand. It was $350. And I tell you, this is my favorite iPhone stand. Of course, I record with my iPhone, so I can't show it, but it literally, there's my thing. It literally sits there perfectly. And before I just had it leaning up against something, but now I can watch something from there. I usually watch my iPad. I watch a lot of court cases. I love watching court. Judge Judy, Judge Marilyn Milian, and People's Court and that. Like, I'm just addicted to that stuff. And so, and you can hold it like that. So this thing is perfect. Love it. So if you find one, buy it. And I love the color too, pink. But face cloths, these were only $2.50, so I wanted to give those a try. I bought these. I'm not a purple person. I'm not really big on purple, like for my own taste and all that, but I'd love to create with purple for other people, or, you know, just to create it, but I'm just not. Listen, I'm a Prince fan, and I love purple for Prince, but, or Purple Rain, but I'm just not, I say that, and my case is purple. My daughter made me pick this one out, so I blame her. Anyway, I got the purple and the mauve. And these were the flowers that I did the altered frame with. I shared with you guys before. And that's $1.50 for each package. I bought these mini paper bags, and you get 10 sacks or pieces in each. And they were only $1.25. So I got white, and then I got the craft color. I've shared with you guys before these chunky glitter fabrics, and they cut really, really well with your embossed, your Big Shot. They cut really well. I had no problem whatsoever. And I actually was making, and that's using those pieces. I was making memory ducks cards with it. So I saw the silver. I thought it was a different gold. I thought I was picking up rose gold, but nope, just gold. But anyway, I picked up silver as well. And they were, it's 12 inches by 36. If you go by centimeters, it's 30.5 by 91.4 centimeters. And it was $2. And I'll tell you, they cut well. And it's just like a regular fabric on the back. Last few things I have here are, look at these little stems. What are these called? These are called Decorative Stems. This one is so super adorable. Look at the colors in there. And for some reason, when I see this decorative stem, and they're all individual pieces, I think of cards, like gluing it up along the side of a card and having something on it. I don't know why, but even on altered frames, like that's the stuff you guys seen in our collab, I can make it in that, like add it to that. And so I bought a pink one as well. And of course, some of the stuff that I bought, I can't find anymore, so I'm glad I got it when I did. Last couple items. I bought this little, it's called a zipper folder. And as you can see, it zips. Now, you might have these at Dollar Tree or whatever. So I have that. And it has a little, you can put your pen in there or what have you, hang a charm or a dangle or anything on it. And it was only $1.25. And I thought, it'd be nice to put Happy Mail in there and put it in a package and send it like that. So I thought that was really cool. And the last piece that I have for this haul, yeah, God, my floor is, if you could see my floor, you'd be amazed. I'm glad this video is only up, you know, from the neck up, so you don't see everything on my floor. This is embossed white sheets. They're 8.5 by 11.7. 8.3, sorry, by 11.7. It's kind of an odd size. But it was $1.25, and you get 4 pieces. And you can see, there we go, you can see it that way better. You can see on there, it looks like it's a wood pattern. So I thought that would be really cute to add to things, you know, for texture and whatever. So that's what I have for this haul. I'll have other hauls be uploaded. I hope you guys are all staying safe and taking care. And I appreciate all my new followers and my already subscribers. I love you guys all. And thanks for watching me show you my craft room and all my goodies that I bought. So I will see you guys in the next video. Toodaloo.